In the final breath of the valley, the rivers ran strange. Waters once soft and rhythmic now twisted through invisible fractures, draining through the bones of Eden into forgotten timelines. And yet, the beasts remembered. Elephants, great lions, and ancient creatures unseen since the first gardens walked calmly beside Noah's descendants, damming streams with roots, stone, and quiet intention. Where humans hesitated, beasts stepped forward, binding rivers into harmony where timelines had frayed. With tusks and claws and gentle hooves, they anchored Eden one final time, but admiration turned quickly to ambition. Inspired by the natural grace of the beasts, the people declared a grander project, the Ramp of Beast. It would lead all life toward the Ark. The idea was noble. The execution, less so. Ramps collapsed, leaves flew. A startled rhinoceros initiated a chain of events that flattened a fig tower and sent 3 oxen surfing down a muddy slope. Todd, dressed as a rodeo announcer, awarded prizes mid-chaos, declaring it the first annual Beast Ramp Rodeo. When the laughter faded, the builders returned to calculation. Under starlight and arkstone guidance, they measured every angle. The final ascent would be the ramp of closure, precisely calibrated to the gravitational pull of the forming gate. No fig leaves, no flare, only equations and breath-held prayers. They constructed in silence. And the ramp held. And so the gate opened. It shimmered like a lake, stood on edge. Time swirled backward and forward, braided into spirals of light. Eden's last echo, shaped into a door. The survivors, dressed in woven vines and muddy robes, laughed, wept, and sang. Todd led the parade. He wore 10 fig hats, rode a goat sideways, and threw pies through the gate like blessings. One burst mid-air, releasing a cloud of laughter so pure it stabilized a failing timeline nearby. The Ark pulsed. The gate waited, and the future laughed open to receive them.
Science Prophets of the Arkstone Timeline by Natastroll. Read free on Amazon now.
And thus, the promise is not in the past, but in the playback. This has been Ark of Promises, where the timelines twist, the oaths echo, and the covenants sometimes moonwalk into paradox. If today's revelations felt like divine déjà vu, or cosmic déjà heard, good. That means your soul is still entangled with the storyline. Before you return to your regularly scheduled dimension, don't forget, follow us, unless you prefer getting lost in your own multiversal garden. Like this podcast, because algorithms are the new prophets. Subscribe, so you're first in line for the next ripple through the resurrection lattice. And most importantly, share this with your temporal neighbor before they realign out of phase. This is Sidoni Nukamoto, Time Lord in exile, narrator in defiance, reminding you, the arc never ends. It just reloads the next scene. Until next time, stay aligned, stay anomalous, and remember, even broken promises leave quantum breadcrumbs. Roll the starlight outro.